Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TGTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday on Tuesday, so that is where the yellow, green, and red lines are coming from. So after today's price movement, though, definitely some updates here need to be made. And first thing I'm going to do is actually house cleaning today's movement. This is a good problem to have. Was so big that, sure, these levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. But one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, and say, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can now stay up above the $18 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 18, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the broader sense, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As I said yesterday, I get it. It seems a little goofy, given the price is way up here. This line's all the way down there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to move itself and get more and more relevant. So the moral of the story there is that from the overall sense, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching this level going forward right up here at the $19.75 mark. I mean, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically 6 times today the price tried to get up above that level, couldn't quite do it. So everybody's going to be watching that level, and when everybody's watching the same level and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can create some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have right here around 1975. So a lot of people are going to be watching that, wondering if this could be a potential breakout. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.